Hi team, this is Firas, and today we will talk about recycle bin, or how to restore your Salesforce records. I think this is topic you might even gonna like, but it's not even challenging. But a lot of times as a Salesforce admin, you will be asked to restore records that you accidentally deleted. That can be in production or in any sandbox or your any other org, right? So recycle bin we all know it's similar to like a trash box that may be available if you're using Windows, and then or if you have a Mac, all the items that we delete usually go there and you can restore. So Salesforce is nothing different. It's basically provides the same type of functionality, right? And it has some capabilities and some rules that is applied. So we will talk about those details and what you can do about it, right? Let me directly go to so for example, I have my cases, right? And the two of those are cases are open. I'll go ahead and try to delete them. Delete this one, delete the second one, and now if I want to access the recycle bin, I'll just need to click 9 dots on the top left corner and type recycle bin. Here are two of the cases that I recently deleted and one I just deleted previously to preparing this video, right? So we now have a section where you can delete, basically specify what records we want to fully delete from recycle bin. I don't know why would you do it cherry pick each by one instead of just emptying the whole bin, which is like a normal practice people get to do. At the same time, you can also restore some of the records, correct? So I'm gonna restore this case basically with 1024. Let's restore that. Let me open cases again. 1024. This is the case I just recently deleted and restored. Okay, let's check and click test this one. Actually, I will go ahead and delete, test this one. Works fine. Or let's just empty the whole bin. Cool. Nice. It's pretty simple, guys, right? But let's now talk about limitations, right? So one thing to keep in mind is you only have 15 days before your records are automatically deleted from your org. So it stayed in the recycle bin for 15 days, right? Not enough. So you have to make your mind if you want to archive them in some different org or you want to fully get rid of them. That's one of the biggest limit. Other limits, such as, like, think about this. There's a note in one of the documentation they're talking about the storage of recycle bin. So it's basically saying records in the recycle bin don't count against your Salesforce org storage, which is nice, right? Because if you delete it and then you have like already a full capacity and that's the reason you deleted them to basically empty some space in your org, that will not actually count towards your memory, right? So it's like additional storage that you can keep and maybe restore whenever you want in the future, right? But there is the other limit determining that, like, recycle bin can contain 25 times of your megabyte storage capacity. So here's an example. If the storage allocation is 2 gigabyte, you can have 50,000 records in the recycle bin. So 25 multiplied by 2,000, right, may equal 50,000 records. So that's kind of good thing to know. I'll attach this document, and you actually can review some more items. The consideration. This is the also important document section where you can also review and see how you're going to be restoring the data from your org. And so hopefully this is helpful. I think this is really nice feature that is given to you by Salesforce. Please utilize and know and keep in mind in case somebody asks you on an interview or in general. Thank you guys, everybody.